What up, internet? I am the PCGoblin. Now this video is going to be fairly short and really informal, and the reason being is I need to get some stuff done rather than make sure the video is perfect and whatnot. But what I'm going to be doing is tearing apart both this computer and my Wetbench because their motherboards have both died. Completely different manufacturers and in completely different ways, but nonetheless they've died more or less at about the same time, and they both need to be RMA'd. Now on this computer, the X299 dark motherboard that I've got inside of it has died, like I just said, but I thought it was my Kraken X62 that had died because of the sound it was making. It was making kind of a two-stroke sound, so I'm going to play that now. But as you can hear, that really doesn't sound like anything that would be coming off a motherboard. And with where I found the sound coming from, you know, it could easily be confused with the water pump. But what it really was my chipset fan. So underneath my video cards is a fan. I'll show you that here in just a minute once I get it pulled out. But there's a fan there, and no matter what I did to it, it would just sit there and make that sound over and over again, just consistently. And it really sucked. And yes, I played with the fan speeds, turned them up, turned them down, turned them off, made sure it was clean, tapped on it, etc., etc. Nothing fixed it. So here we are, going to be tearing this apart, and I'll explain more about the Wetbench motherboard when I get to that. So time to get working. So instead of playing awesome music, I'm going to be telling you what's wrong with the motherboard because I forgot to actually say what was wrong with it. But basically what was wrong with it was when I turned it on, it wouldn't read the second stick of memory. Now that stick of memory wasn't bad because I tested the memory in all 4 slots in different positions, and I tried one stick in the slot and that's it. And it was fine. Tried the other one, tried in that same slot, it was fine. But putting it in any order in any of the 4 slots, it would only read one of the sticks, and that was it. So that's why it's getting RMA'd. That's why I'm tearing it down. Well, that was a huge pain in the butt, but I got everything put back together. I got my water cooler put back on my X299 rig. I've now booted up my X299 rig, and it sounds quiet. There's none of that sound that you heard earlier. So life's good on that. Tore down my Wetbench, and that motherboard's going to be going off because I couldn't do an advanced RMA. But at least I've still got my X299 system, so yay. I know this wasn't the most informative video, but I hope you liked it anyways, and you'll hit that like button, and hopefully you want to see more of my stuff, so you'll smash the subscribe button as well. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.